Hi guys, my name is John. Welcome to another Xamarin.Forms tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about Messaging Center. Now, Messaging Center uh, is used to send messages across components within your app, pages, view models, random classes. So you can communicate from a page to a page, page to view model to view model, view model to class. Whatever that's loaded in the app messages can be sent across it. So let me quickly explain how how this works. Now I've created my page, I wrapped it around in a navigation page so I can navigate from one page to another. I created an extra page, my page.xaml. So this is my main page, so I'm going to navigate to the other page from here. So button, text, navigate, horizontal options, center, vertical options, center. So we're going to handle click. Okay, it's already here. So navigation dot push async new my page. Okay, so I go into the second page. Now from the second page, this is where we're going to call our base. This is where we're going to call send our message from the second page. So I have a button, text is send message, horizontal options, center, vertical options, center. So we're going to handle clicked. Basically, I see where this doesn't exist. Where does not exist from? The base class here with this XAML file could not be found. Why couldn't it be found? Why couldn't it be found? Where am I getting that error from? Come on. I don't know why I'm getting this error exactly. Okay, so let's just ignore that. Now, for the messaging center, it's a static class and it has three overloaded methods: send, subscribe, and unsubscribe. So send is used to send a message that's going to be listened to by other classes. Subscribe is subscribing to a message being sent from other classes, and then unsubscribe is I do not want to listen to this message anymore. So in this case, we're going to be listening for a message from the main page. So subscriber is this. The message we're listening to is hello, and then this is what we want to do whenever we get the message. So we're going to call a display alert. Hello from main page. Okay, what's the complaint about? Okay, where is it subscribing from? So it's subscribing this from the my page. Yep. So this has signed a contract that whenever it gets a message hello from my page, it will perform this. It doesn't know where it's getting it from or when, but whenever it gets it, it does this. Okay, cool. So now we're going to send this message from my page. So in this case, we'll need the send method. Now send by passing who is sending it, my page. This is the sender. Okay, we don't need to pass this argument per se because we're not customizing it yet. The message we're sending is hello. and this should do it. So I'll put my breakpoints here and there to make sure everything is working. And let's run this on iPhone 8 and see how it looks. Okay, it is building. Now while it's building, I'm going to add one extra class which we're going to use. So general, add new file. I'm going to call it random class because I'm very good at naming things. Alright, so from here we're navigating our second page. Fine. So now I want to send our message. Remember, we're in our second page. We want to send our message. So technically what should happen is our message sends this hello, and this first page is listening for the hello, so it will act on it. Okay, so let's see that work in action. Send message. It's about to send the message now, and it's going to send, and voila, first page is listening for it. So first we're now going to send an alert, which is this alert, hello from main page. So meanwhile we're seeing our second page. So now within here we can do a lot of things. We can process a lot of things. We can do okay, to make it even more interesting, so to show you how the power of this works, now let's give this button a name. Name is main button. Don't know why that's complaining. So when we receive this message, to make it more interesting, to show you that this works in the background as well, I'm going to call main button dot text. It's going to be received. Okay, now these are empty class. Let's try and get a message from what did I create like this? Nope, I don't need the content page. I just need a bare class. Yep, with the constructor, we have another message, public voice send message, another method, MessagingCenter dot send this hello. Now that's one this, not two this. Now this class is also going to listen for a message as well. MessagingCenter does subscribe from my page. This is listening for hello, and when it does hello, what it's going to do, it's going to do work its magic here for f equals to 20. I just want to catch a breakpoint here is all. I need a comma, and I should be subscribing from somewhere, so I'm subscribing from my page. Okay, so I want to use this class and show you an example of something. So for my page here, we create another button. Send external. We're going to send a message from an external class to show you how it still works. Horizontal options, center, vertical options, center, and let's lock it up and handle the click. Click is handle click. Sorry, we're not very creative at this, but you understand. I should probably put this in a stack layout because it seems that my phone is already complaining. Okay, so we have our two buttons. Send external should come from our external class. So initialize our external class var x equals to new random class, and then x dot send message. Okay, so now I want to explain something. So now messaging center, this is a message. Now this is subscribing to this hello as well. So let's stop this from subscribing, and let me explain something. So let's run this and see. Now the way messaging center works, in as much as it can send message within everything, those things have to be initialized first. Okay, so I'm going to explain. From here, we are sending this message, and random class is listening for that message. Yeah, yep. So, but what happens now is, let's see if it's actually going to get the message. So send message. Nothing is getting the message. Now the reason why is because at this point, random class hasn't been initialized. So let's try something now. So normally send external method calls the random class to send the message. So in the process initializing it. So let's send external. This is the message from the random class. Yeah. Okay. Cool. No issue there. But now at this point, random class initialized. So we're going to go send a message now. The random class should be picking it. Why is it not picking it? Send this hello. My page this hello. Okay, I really don't know why this is not working, but it should be working. It's initialized. Okay, let's just leave that for another day then. So now let's go on and add parameters to our messages we're sending. So back to our original method. This is sending. Now we're going to add an extra parameter in the sending. So we'll customize this class. It takes into arguments my page, and we are sending a string. So it's going to complain because we need to add a string. Hello from the other side. Okay. Okay, this is still redundant safe. We don't need to add this here. But now at the receiving end, main page.xamarin.cs will subscribe for my page and a string. Now we have that string parameter e. Now we want to do display alerts and display the message we got from e. Do you think that will work? So let's see. E. Let's cast e as string first. Yep. Okay, I don't need to cast it. I'm making a lot of blunders today. I already declared it here, so I don't need to cast it as a string. So let's see how this works. It's building. It's building. It's still building. And it's live now. So second page. Now we're sending a message and hello from the other side. Now this is the message we sent from this other class. The parameter we passed, it got it on the other end. Okay, so now let's try passing a complex parameter. So now imagine you have an object. Okay, let's use a random class object now. We'll take away all of this, and we just need properties, string, public int, my int. So okay, let me just try and be real. Int age, public string, name, set. So we have this class here. Now before we send this parameter, we're going to create person equals to new random class. We're going to pass person dot name equals to John, person dot age equals to 99. Yep, I'm that old. I'm almost a wizard. Okay, so we're going to pass hello and we're going to pass person. Yeah. This is okay. It doesn't exist no more, and we don't even need it, so we can take it out. Now in our main page, we're going to be listening for this and casting this parameter as a person. Nope, as, sorry, come on, as random class. We're listening for random class. Now with this, you don't need to do this again because the parameter is already a random class. What you complain about? Cast to string. What am I casting to string? Okay, e takes in a string. The message, so e dot name plus e dot age, okay, to string. Okay, so we're going to pass this entire object to this parameter as the message. So I'm just going to hold it here and debug it to see what the object looks like. So I guess by this point now you can imagine the thousands of possibilities you can use Messaging Center to do. So you could bind picker to the person that requested this video. You could bind your picker selected item, use it to send messages across every other pages you have of view models, and they'll listen for it properly. So navigate, send message. Okay, so now I got the message here. Now let's debug E and see what E holds. So these are E, name John, age 99. So we have successfully passed a parameter, an object from here to this other page without any stress. And all this is done synchronously, so I don't have to await anything or do any other stuff. So if you notice also, whenever I send a message, I change the button text to received. So if I should go back, the other button text should be received. So cool. See how fun it is to send messages across platforms. So if I have 10 pages, if I have 10 view models, I don't need to start passing construct and parameters within their constructors using injections and all that. I could just let them subscribe to events, and when I'm done, I can unsubscribe. So the way unsubscribe works is once I unsubscribe from an event, I no longer get alerted whenever a message is sent. Okay, so if I'm done with this, I just have to, so maybe sometime in your app, maybe if you're waiting for a download to be completed or something, once it's done, you can unsubscribe for that event from my page. It takes sender and then subscriber is this, and it is the hello method. Okay, let's do something now. So whenever we receive the message once, we are going to unsubscribe from it. So you should only receive this message once and not anymore. Now let's see how this works. It's building. It's building. Any moment now. So I want to catch it when it's about to unsubscribe. I'll navigate. Now we send the message once. It catches it, but at the end of it, it unsubscribed from this. So technically, it shouldn't get any other message being sent. It's still sent. It's still getting it. Subscribe from my page. This hello. Send this hello. Okay. I don't know why it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be getting it anymore. But okay, that could be your practice and try and make research on how to use the unsubscribe feature of Messaging Center. But till then, see you next time. If you have questions, ask in the comments. If you have requests to make, shoot, and I'll always make a video regarding it. Alright, so till then, see you next time.